You're bracing for the next outburst. The toy is broken, the screen was taken away, or homework tipped a child into a velocity of tears and yelling you didn't see coming. And now the house is loud and your heart is racing.
Hi, I'm Tamar Sloan. This episode is for parents who are holding the wreckage of a fresh meltdown and wondering, now what? For a lot of us, the impulse is to freeze and try to be perfectly calm, like if we stand still enough, the storm will pass. But here's the surprising problem. Trying to be perfectly calm can sometimes get in the way of repair.
Walking on eggshells around a child who's been upended feels familiar to so many families. That urge to not make a single extra ripple, I hear that a lot.
First, normalize this. Nothing about big emotions means you're failing. If a child loses it in front of you, that tells you something important. They're dysregulated and they need help coming back. You are not the problem. You're part of the solution. And small, simple things actually matter more than perfect performance. So here's the core idea I want to leave you with. Repair first, teach later. When someone is flooded, they can't hear teaching. They need safety and connection first, then gentle limits and learning when they're calmer.
That feels counterintuitive, doesn't it? We want to fix behavior right away. Tamara's inviting us to slow the story down, to think minutes, not immediate lessons.
Okay, the practical bit. I'm going to teach a 90-second repair script you can use right after a meltdown. It's short, adaptable, and built around 3 moves. Quick safety check, the 90-second repair itself, and a tiny follow-up conversation later. I'll say the lines slowly so you can hear rhythm and tone. First, the quick safety check. Are you okay? Are you hurt? Can I help you with that?
If the answer to that check is yes, we're safe, you can move in. If not, stop and make a different plan. Get help, create distance. Tomorrow we'll say more about red flags later.
Now, the 90-second repair. It's short because long lectures don't land in the fallout. Use softness, realness, and a little self-disclosure. Here's a template you can say out loud, slowly. I'm here. I'm sorry you're upset. Let's breathe together. Pause and breathe together for 4 slow breaths. Then add, I'm not angry with you. I still care about the rules. We'll talk about that when you're calmer. That's it. 90 seconds of stepping in, connecting, and holding the boundary lightly.
Hearing someone say, I'm here, in a quiet tone, can cut through the noise. It signals, I'm staying with you, not abandoning you, not letting the moment teach everything it wants to teach at once.
A few delivery notes. Keep your voice lower than their voice. Keep sentences short and use 1-sentence lines. Don't try to solve the problem in that 90 seconds. The job is to soothe and reconnect. If the child refuses eye contact or pushes you away, that's okay. Say the line anyway from where you are. Presence over perfection.
Now for age adaptations. Make these fit your child. 2 quick examples so you can borrow wording that feels right for your family.
Toddler version. I see you're very upset. I'm here. Let's sit close and breathe. Use more physical closeness. A hand on a knee, a cuddle if they accept it. Keep it very brief and concrete. I'm here. I'm sorry you're having this. If you want space, I understand. I'm close by. When you're ready, can we breathe together for a bit?
You can shorten or expand any of these lines. The key is intention. Backup safety, presence, then a soft boundary. Keep it authentic to how you actually speak so it doesn't feel like a script you can't own.
Quick recap. 3-step roadmap. 1, safety check. Are you okay? Are you hurt? 2, the 90-second repair. I'm here. I'm sorry you're upset. Let's breathe together. I'm not angry. We'll talk about rules later. 3, tiny follow-up later. When they're calm, a short conversation focused on one teachable idea, not a lecture. Example follow-up line. When you were upset earlier, I noticed X. Next time, let's try Y. Want to practice? Keep follow-ups under 5 minutes for younger kids.
2 low-effort experiments to try the next day. First, practice the breathing line in a neutral moment. Pretend play it for 30 seconds so it sounds natural. Second, pick one boundary you'll keep consistent and mention it once calmly. We don't hit hands, we use words. Small practice makes the repair feel less scripted when it matters.
A few red flags where more support is important: if meltdowns are daily, cause serious harm, involve sustained aggression, or if you feel unsafe, reach out for professional help. Also, if trying these repair steps consistently makes things worse, pause and get specialist advice. Safety and your well-being matter too.
Remember, scripts can feel strange at first. That's okay. They're scaffolds, practice-worthy, not performance required.
Before we go, you don't need to fix everything today. The goal is small, repeatable repairs that build safety and connection over time. Try the 90-second repair once. Notice what changes, and be kind to yourself if it's messy. You've got this. We aren't supposed to parent alone. Find your village.
You don't have to win, you just have to persist.